Hello, my name is Charles Marine, and this is the video I was talking about. This is a short video showing you a couple of things that you can do to help get you more clients. I'm going to show you a little bit of the search volume of clients looking for your services in your area, and hopefully you'll be able to take a few of these free tips, implement them by yourself or with your website SEO person, and start to grow your business even more. So I understand you may be wondering, why am I doing this, giving out this free information? Well, firstly, I realize business owners are way too busy to learn a lot of this stuff. And then there's so much information out there and so many different people who offer almost nothing for a lot. So I figured this is the best way for me to put myself out there, show my skills, give people free help, and if you like what you see, and I have more tricks up my sleeve, we can discuss about getting partnering together and helping you grow. The other reason is that about 90% of people use Google to search for your services locally, and I'm gonna check out the numbers. I'm gonna show you some numbers, some search volume in your area, and what you can do to capture it. Now, for me personally, I'm based in Philadelphia, but I worked in Montgomeryville, and I'm just saying that because I know a little bit about the area. Let's say I was in Montgomeryville in Royersford. I'm looking for a plumber, for example. I'd type in something like plumbers Royersford. 90% of people do this, and I'm sure you've done it. You've done the same thing. When you're looking for a local service, just type it into Google. What we've typed into here is known as a keyword. And the tools out there that can analyze keywords and find out how many people per month are searching for your services. This is very buyer intent because it has the service and the location. And people searching like this tend to need that service and are searching to find someone. So just as an example, I said I was going to give you some numbers. I use a tool called Ahrefs, which analyzes keywords, analyzes websites. It's a popular tool out there. It's a famous, and I'm gonna put in the keywords plumbers Royersford. So let's come into my keyword explorer, and you'll see there are 350 people who search for that every single month. Not only that, there are more. There's more keywords I researched. Plumbers in Pottstown, PA. 200 people look for that every month. Royersford plumbers, which is just both words, but the other way around. This is a different keyword. 300 people search for this every month, as opposed to plumbers Royersford. Plumbers Downingtown, 150 people. Plumber Westchester, PA, 350 people look for that every month. So what I'm trying to show you is that there's tons of searches for your services in your area, in your location, and it would be important to capture them. So the three things I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything that's on your page, all the words, all the text, the words behind the text, what images are saved as. For example, I can see this image here. If I try and save it, I'll see it's saved as Ambler Plumber. Oh, that's good. That means it's been saved as a keyword. That's good. What about this image here? Water treatment. So no one's really searching for water treatment 1. I'd go ahead and make sure you're including keywords in most of the things that you don't see on your website. And then also include keywords in the text of your website. It's advisable to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text on your front page. So I would definitely increase the amount of text you have, and then sprinkle within it all these keywords which are converting, which could convert into, which have a high search volume. This means that Google will start to put you in front, will find you relevant and start to put you in front of these kind of searches. So you'll be up here. So that's content, 1,000 to 1,500 words on your front page, about 750 to 1,000 in your other back on your back pages. You can see you serve so many cities, and guaranteed all of those cities have a lot of people who are looking for your services. There's search volume. I don't know what it is about Bucks County, but there's a lot of people looking for plumbers. Okay, so that's content. Citations has to do with this part of the search where you have three companies here, three businesses, and the map of the local area. You might also find once in a while an advertisement, a Google ad here. So once you search for something in Google, you'll find Google ads first, and then the map pack, and then the organic search results. Citations have to do with this area here. So a citation is anywhere on the internet, any directory that your name, address, and phone number are cited online. So directories like Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Yext, etc., whitepages.com, yellowpages.com, the more relevant and higher number than your competitors, the higher you'll be in this map pack. So definitely get more citations. Just to give you some citations that you could get, Networks is one if you're there, reliablemodeler.com, the Home Services Engine. There are tons of citations, and the more you're in, the more Google will find you relevant and bring you higher and higher up in the map pack. Third thing I want to talk about is the organic listing section. And ranking here, getting to the top of here, of this section, has a lot to do with backlinks. Now, a backlink is whenever one website links to your website, directing traffic to you. Again, I'm going to use Ahrefs again, but first I want to take your competitor, Horn Plumbing, and plug them into here and look at their backlinks. So enter my Site Explorer, and I can see they have about 270 backlinks from 62 domains. So it's up to your SEO person to come in here, make sure, take a look at their backlinks, make sure you have the same amount and higher in number. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, if it's a McDonald's linking to you, Google sees that as a different niche, and a definitely different niche, not relevant to you. So it takes that as a spammy backlink. A lot of people, in my business, say, "Oh, we'll give you so many backlinks and you'll rank high on Google," but they end up giving a lot of spammy, non-relevant backlinks, which doesn't help. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: content, citations, and backlinks. And I showed you a lot about the search volume for your services in your area. Now, one thing I want to do is also place your site into Ahrefs and let you see what comes out. So PlumbPro services, you have about 533 backlinks from 68 domains. That's good, actually. That's not bad compared to your competitors. I would definitely increase the number of backlinks that you have. And one other thing, I want to see what Google is recognizing you for. So your organic keywords, Plumbers Warrington, Plumbers, Plumbing Warrington, and you can tell what position you're at. So with this kind of search volume, I would definitely focus on these keywords here. A lot of search volume, and their location, the buyer intent. And you can see you're in number 12, number 10. So you're not getting that much traffic. You are getting a little bit of traffic, but I would definitely work on my SEO to start hitting the top 3 in a lot of these areas, because these are buyer intent searches. So thank you very much. Those 3 things hopefully will get you there: backlinks, content, and citations. Feel free to pass this video on to whoever does your website or implement these things yourself. If you like what you've seen, I have more tricks on my sleeve, and I'd love to be able to discuss partnering together and helping you grow. Thank you very much.